Welcome, in front of me is HP ZBook Firefly 14, and in this video I will show you how to restart your PC. So to do that, you can either press the start button, then go into the power options and select restart right here. But if you can't access this menu, for example your screen is frozen, then in such case you'll simply have to turn off and then turn on your laptop. Again, to do that, press and hold the power key for about 5 seconds until your screen and your keyboard goes off. And after you release the button, let your laptop rest for a couple of seconds and then press the power button again to turn it on. And now wait until your laptop turns on. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.